Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope all of you are well, fine, and safe inside your homes. So, now today, let us start with chapter 5 in civics, that is Panchayati Raj. I repeat, we are going to start with 5th chapter in civics, that is Panchayati Raj. So, now we will have some sort of introduction. We will study some facts about India. So, starting with 4 out of every 5 citizens live in villages. It means that there are more people who are living in villages. Say, for example, any 5 out of those 4 are living in villages and not in urban areas. Then there are about 200 times as many villages as towns and cities. Means villages are more as compared to towns and cities. Thus, it is important that solution to the local problems must be sought out locally. It means there are many villages, so the solution to all these problems should also be found out locally. Next we have is Panchayat. So now, what does the word Panchayat means? It means assembly of 5 wise and respected elders chosen and accepted by local community. It means assembly. When 5 people or more than 5, they literally get together. Panch means what? 5. Panch. That is what we call Panchayat. It has come from the word Panch, which means 5. Like our hand has 5 fingers. So likewise Panch means Panchayat. It means 5 wise assembly, and they will be chosen by the respected elders and it will be accepted by the local community. It is the oldest system of local government and it is the first tier of democratic government. There are different tiers of the democratic government, and in this it is the first tier. Next we have more about Panchayat. That is, every Panchayat is divided into wards, that is in smaller areas, and each ward elects a representative who is known as the ward member. It means each ward is electing a representative who is known as Panch, or it is called as ward member. All the members of the Gram Sabha also elect a Sarpanch who is called the Panchayat president. It means head of the village. That is what we call Panchayat. The word Panch and the Sarpanch, they form the Gram Panchayat, and it is elected for the period of 5 years. Then Gram Panchayat has a secretary who is also called as secretary of Gram Sabha. I repeat, there is one person who is called secretary, and so he is known as the secretary of the Gram Sabha. This person is not an elected person, but is appointed by the government. So this person is not an elected person, so this person has been elected by the government, and the secretary is responsible for calling the meetings. So whenever there are meetings in the villages, the secretary has to find out the date, timings, and what all things they have to discuss in the meeting. All those things, all that record has to be kept by the secretary. Now what are the functions? So functions are provision of clean drinking water. So it should ensure that there is clean drinking water available. Sanitary and public health and animal husbandry. It means sanitation facilities should be there. As you all know, sanitation facilities, they are very, very important. Apart from the current scenario, also sanitization was also important equally before few years. So public health, it means our people health, and animal husbandry, it means importance of animals also have to be taken into consideration. Plantation of trees, more and more trees should be planted. Then construction and maintenance of villages, roads, street lights, public wells, tanks, all those things. Other functions include supervision of work of government servants, say like policemen, primary health center workers, teachers, etc. So they also have to supervise the work of these people. Supply of quality seeds and fertilizers, so they have to ensure the supply of these things. Organization of fairs and festivals, there are festivals to be held, so all those things again have to be done. Keeping records of births and deaths, so in villages there is a record of births and deaths which has to be maintained. And the provision of center of adult literacy, as in when you get adult, you should be literate enough to know what to do and what not to do. So again, adult literacy is also important. So these are the functions. Now we will have a recap. Introduction. Panchayat means Panch, 5 members chosen by the elders, respected elders, which form the government. What is actually Panchayat, the work and also the functions along with it. So that was it for today. Thank you and have a nice day.